Assessing participants' understanding of consent information has many advantages for both participants and research teams. For example, it may ensure every participant understands a study or identify weaknesses in the consent process. The Revised UBACC is a validated tool to assess whether a potential participant understands the informed consent information prior to enrollment. Unlike some other assessments of participant understanding, the UBACC specifically assesses understanding of the particular study that the participant is considering. It's been validated and can be used reliably with minimal training, and it can be administered in about 5 minutes. So let's learn how the Revised UBACC works. So, how does it work? First, review the consent information with the participant. When you've finished reviewing the information, you administer the Revised UBACC verbally with the participant. There are 10 questions total, and each response is scored 0, 1, or 2, based on how much information the participant understood. Here's a sample question using an imaginary clinical trial of a drug to treat memory disorders. What is the main purpose of the study that was just described to you? If the participant provides a clearly inaccurate response, such as, "I don't know," or "I can't remember," then they score a 0. If the participant provides a partially inaccurate response, such as, "You're testing a drug for something," then they score a 1. If the participant provides a clearly accurate response, such as, "You're testing a drug to treat memory disorders," then they score a 2. Participants can score a maximum of 2 points per question for a total of 20. You can use the information found in the consent form to verify answers. In general, scores of 15 or above indicate that the participant has likely understood the study adequately and has the ability to consent to participation. If a participant scores lower than 15 points, their current level of understanding may need to be questioned. But a score of 15 is only a guide. You might set a lower or higher cutoff point depending on the risk level of the particular study. Discuss the appropriate threshold for your study with your research team and the IRB. In situations where a surrogate or legally authorized representative is providing informed consent, it may be appropriate to assess their understanding of consent information for studies that are greater than minimal risk. Ready to try out the Revised UBACC? Check out our free Revised UBACC templates. There's a version for participants and for legally authorized representatives available for download on the ConsentTools website. See our next video, What to Do When Revised UBACC Scores Are Low, to learn more.